Welcome to Java Forum. Now we are going to see how to install Fedora 32 workstation on VirtualBox 6.1 with the guest additions. So Fedora 32 is the latest release from Fedora project. So our first step is I'm creating one Fedora 32 workstation virtual machine on VirtualBox 6.1. So make sure that you updated the VirtualBox 6.1 software so that it will support the latest kernel. So I allocated some RAM and dynamically allocated virtual hard drive. So virtual machine is created successfully. Right click settings. So I am unchecking the floppy. Optical drive will be the first one to be get booted. And processor, I am allocating a 4-core processor. Storage, I am going to point Fedora 32 workstation DVD ISO file, which I already downloaded from Fedora project website. So everything is fine now. Let us start the Fedora 32 workstation virtual machine now, and let us begin the installation of the Fedora Linux. So I am selecting the startup disk. That will be Fedora 32 ISO file. So installation screen had arrived. So first step is I am running Fedora as a live. So I am adjusting the screen resolution now. So Fedora 32 live software is running now. So I have adjusted the screen resolution now so that we can watch the installation in full screen. Yes. So make sure that you are connected to the internet in order to download the dependency files for VirtualBox Guest Addition. So now I am starting to install the Fedora by clicking the install Fedora. So installation screen has started. Welcome screen of Fedora 32. So English will be the default language. So time zone, I am selecting my location. So installation destination, I am selecting the virtual hard drive. So everything is done now. So let us begin the installation now. So installation in progress. So make sure that you have updated the VirtualBox 6.1 so that it will support Fedora 32 workstation with the guest edition. So Fedora 32 installation is done. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to power off this virtual machine. So after power off, I am going to make some changes in settings. So I'm going to add one more optical drive. So before that, I am unchecking the optical drive from boot order. So it will boot from hard disk only because we have done with installation. So from hard disk, Fedora 32 workstation will be get booted. So I am starting the Fedora 32 version now. So this is the initial setting. So you need to create one account here. That is username and password for this Fedora 32 login. So login user. So start using the Fedora. Yes. So now next step is what I am going to do is I am going to open the display. So I will adjust the screen resolution once again. So this will be the permanent change because we are doing the display settings after the install. So now let us navigate some softwares. So this terminal I open. So first I am checking what are the programming languages installed by default. OpenJDK 1.8 is installed by default. So Python 3 is installed by default. Python or Python 3 will points to Python 3. Perl 5.30. Perl 5.30 is available. So by default Java, Python and Perl languages are available. So this is the VirtualBox Guest Addition Software DVD. I am copying the content to one directory. So I am creating one directory in my home directory. So here I will copy the contents of VirtualBox Guest Addition DVD ISO file. So next step is I am going to open the terminal. So I am switching as a sudo user. So only sudo user can install the RPM packages. So this is the command to install the dependent RPMs for VirtualBox Guest Additions. DNF install kernel headers, kernel devel and make. So this will install the packages. So make sure that you have internet connection. So internet connection is needed to download these packages. So VirtualBox Guest Addition dependent packages are downloaded and installed successfully. Now I am giving permission to the folder which I have copied the VirtualBox Guest Addition software. So now I am going to install VirtualBox Guest Addition by running the command /pbox linux additions.run. So this will install the VirtualBox Guest Addition software. So do you wish to continue? It will ask, give yes, so that it will continue to install VirtualBox Guest Addition software. So Guest Addition is installed successfully. So we need to restart this virtual machine in order to get effect. So I am closing the terminal. I am going to power off this. I am going to power off this virtual machine. So now I am going to enable the Shared Clipboard and drag and drop feature. Yes, I enabled. So now let me start the Fedora 32 version. Yes, so full screen is available now. So after installing the guest additions, you can see that Fedora 32 workstation is running in full screen. So I did not face any rendering problems so far. So Genome is a display manager for Fedora 32 workstation. Genome 3.36 is the version. So this is the details about the Fedora 32 workstation. So before we check the Shared Clipboard picture, we are going to see what are the softwares available. So LibreOffice 6.4 is available in this Fedora 32 Workstation Edition. So it has some good look and feel and Fedora 32. So Firefox is the default browser available in this Fedora 32 release. So Firefox version is 75. So which is the updated version as of now. Yes. So next we are going to see the Shared Clipboard feature. So I have opened the terminal now. Now I am typing some Linux commands and I am going to copy the output of the Linux command in the terminal to the Windows host machine. So I am copying this terminal output from Linux and I am going to paste in Windows Notepad Plus or Notepad. Yes, so I can able to paste the output from Fedora 32 to Windows host machine. Now I am typing some line in Windows Notepad. I am trying to copy it and paste in Fedora 32. So copy it and paste. Yes, it's working fine. So Fedora 32 workstation installation on VirtualBox 6.1 with the guest addition is successful, and make sure that you have updated your VirtualBox 6.1 software so that it will support the latest